So this is a very pretty but invasive shrub. This goes by a lot of common names. Rose-of-Sharon is the most common here in the United States, or it's also called Korean rose, or common hibiscus. It is in hibiscus family, Malvaceae, and the scientific name, even though it's Rose-of-Sharon, and even though it's a national flower of Korea, and at one time was thought to come from there. It actually comes mostly from China, where it's been imported to all sorts of other places. A lot of pollinators do use it, things like especially oriental beetles and stuff like that, which grew up with it, of course, chew the heck out of the thing. The flowers are edible. They used to make teas out of these leaves. It reproduces just abundantly, which is a problem, which is why it's invasive in most places. As I mentioned, it is the national rose of Korea. The scientific name is Hibiscus syriacus, and again, even though it comes from China, people first prescribed it growing in the gardens of Syria, and so that's the name. So a pretty shrub, but unfortunately one that spreads rapidly. These things produce tons of little seeds that spread all over. It's a very hardy plant. It can take lots of conditions, including if it's moist, full sun. It can take a lot of conditions such as partial shade and so forth. Grows tall, can be cut back severely. Sometimes it's cut into a hedge, and it just grows back constantly. It does have some wildlife value, but again, compared to our native plants, it's a big pain and a problem for many places to try to manage. So Rose-of-Sharon, Hibiscus syriacus, an invasive shrub originally from the Orient.